Former President Donald Trump's legal challenges continue to dominate headlines as he faces multiple legal battles and prepares for a potential return to the political arena. In Florida, U.S. District Judge Aileen Cannon is set to preside over hearings on Trump's motions to dismiss charges in a classified documents case. Trump's legal team contends that charges should be dropped based on interpretations of the Presidential Records Act and claims of statute vagueness concerning post-presidential handling of classified materials. Special counsel Jack Smith has vehemently opposed Trump's arguments, emphasizing the importance of upholding the integrity of presidential records. Amidst former President Donald Trump's legal battles, special counsel Jack Smith emerges as a formidable force countering Trump's delay tactics and legal maneuvers. Smith vehemently opposes Trump's claims regarding the transformation of presidential records into personal records, arguing against dismissal motions and highlighting the potential ramifications of adopting Trump's immunity theory. Smith warns of alarming scenarios, suggesting that granting immunity based on Trump's position could enable egregious abuses of power, such as using the military for political vendettas or selling classified information with impunity. Smith's proactive stance underscores the gravity of Trump's legal predicament and the necessity of upholding legal integrity. Furthermore, speculation surrounds the possibility of prosecutors seeking the removal of Judge Aileen Cannon from Trump's classified documents case, following her ruling in favor of the defense's access to unredacted classified papers. Cannon's decision, viewed as favorable to Trump, prompts concerns about impartiality and raises questions about potential prosecutorial actions to challenge her ruling. However, legal experts suggest that the removal of a judge typically requires evidence of conflicts of interest or egregious behavior, indicating potential challenges in such efforts against Cannon. As Trump's legal saga unfolds, tensions between defense strategies and prosecutorial oversight intensify, shaping the trajectory of legal proceedings. Simultaneously, Trump's legal battles extend to his defamation trial, where he posted a $91.6 million bond to appeal a judgment brought by columnist E. Jean Carroll. In the hush money payments case, Judge Juan Merchan has allowed Trump to access juror information in the hush money trial, but prohibits its public disclosure. However, Merchan is yet to decide on a prosecution request for a gag order to prevent Trump from criticizing jurors, witnesses, and court staff, indicating ongoing tensions in the legal proceedings. As the legal war between Smith and Trump rages on, the ripple effects are felt far beyond the courtroom, particularly in the political sphere. Trump's political aspirations haven't been dampened, and they take center stage as dueling rallies are held in Georgia, a crucial state in the upcoming primary. The ghost of a potential Biden-Trump rematch hangs heavily in the air, turning Georgia into a battleground where the intersection of legal scrutiny and political ambition is most evident. Both Biden and Trump are strategically positioning themselves in Georgia. They're rallying support and pushing their respective agendas amidst their ongoing legal entanglements. Biden's campaign is working hard to amplify the messaging from the State of the Union and expand their volunteer engagement. Meanwhile, Trump is focusing on strengthening campaign operations and capitalizing on national concerns over immigration. Adding another layer to this complex picture, an MSNBC interview with a swing state voter brings home the gravity of the upcoming election. This voter expressed a preference for Biden at 81 years over Trump at 91, reflecting the stark contrast in visions and the weighty nature of electoral decisions. With the legal and political spheres colliding, the outcomes of pending legal decisions and campaign strategies may have far-reaching implications for Trump's legal fate and his potential political comeback. This could shape the course of the 2024 presidential election. The intertwining of legal battles and political rivalries highlights the intricate relationship between law and politics in shaping the nation's future. Trump's legal maneuvers and political endeavors underscore the high stakes involved in his quest for exoneration and potential return to the White House. As the courtroom dramas continue to unfold and campaign rhetoric escalates, the American public is set to witness a critical moment in the country's legal and political landscape. The outcome could have significant ramifications for the future direction of the nation. As we navigate the turbulent waters of legal battles and political ambitions, we now turn our attention to the Republican National Committee, RNC. A new development has surfaced: Lara Trump's elevation to co-chair. The daughter-in-law of former President Donald Trump, Lara's ascent, coupled with the appointment of Michael Whatley as RNC chair, signals a growing influence of the Trump family within the Republican Party. However, this move has not been met with unanimous approval. It has, in fact, sparked a firestorm among certain factions of the GOP, leading to threats of withdrawing support from the party. Despite Lara Trump's commitment to re-elect Donald Trump and advance GOP interests, her leadership has incited backlash from disenchanted Republican activists who view her role as a potential threat to the party's integrity and principles. This internal unrest within the Republican Party stands as a testament to the broader tensions that exist, as various factions grapple with the future direction of the party. Detractors argue that Lara Trump's leadership may prioritize Trump family interests over party values, risking the alienation of grassroots supporters and undermining the party's ideological heritage. The controversies surrounding Lara Trump's role in the RNC intersect with broader debates about the allocation of RNC funds. Lara Trump has suggested that these funds could be used for Donald Trump's legal expenses. However, recent statements from RNC officials indicate a firm stance against such expenditures. As the Republican Party grapples with the fallout from past controversies and Trump's legal challenges, Lara Trump's role within the RNC could serve as a pivotal point for ongoing discussions about the party's direction and values in the post-Trump era. The stakes are high, and the potential implications of Lara Trump's ascent for the party's cohesion and electoral viability remain uncertain. As we continue to observe the evolving landscape of legal battles and political rivalries, one thing is clear: the intertwining of these spheres is not only shaping the nation's future, but also redefining the contours of the GOP. As the political landscape continues to evolve, we now focus on Donald Trump's recent campaign rallies in Richmond, Virginia, and Greensboro, North Carolina. The former president's speeches at these events have been riddled with perplexing statements and inconsistencies, creating a stir among critics and raising questions about his coherence. Trump's difficulty in pronouncing certain words, his confusion between President Biden and former President Obama, and his attempts to claim credit for initiatives under Obama's administration have all been captured on tape, contributing to a growing narrative of Trump's potential cognitive decline. One of the most alarming aspects of these rallies has been Trump's unabashed alignment with the January 6th rioters, despite awaiting trial for his involvement in the event. He continues to condemn Biden as a threat to democracy, underscoring the potential dangers of his continued political influence. His campaign has dismissed concerns about his coherence, but critics warn of the risks posed by a candidate for the presidency exhibiting such erratic behavior. Furthermore, Trump's reference to countries as individuals, such as Argentina, has added to the confusion and concern. As Trump distances himself from issues of age and cognitive decline, his verbal gaffes and disjointed speeches raise questions about his fitness for office and his ability to effectively lead the nation. With the presidential election looming, the contrast between Trump's alarming rhetoric and Biden's campaign message of stability and unity is becoming increasingly stark, setting the stage for a contentious electoral battle. As we continue to untangle the web of legal battles, political ambitions, and the rhetoric surrounding them, the question remains: what does this mean for the future of the Republican Party and the nation at large?
Thanks for watching. If you like it, comment and hit the like and share buttons. Subscribe for future videos.